Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. It's officially spooky season. I'm starting this Siren Halloween look with a blank even canvas, applying L'Oreal's True Matte foundation, and then I'm concealing and highlighting with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Next, I'm taking the Coty Airspun translucent face powder, and I'll be using that to set my whole face. The sponge that I'm using is the e.l.f. Total Face Sponge. I'm using this sponge dry because sometimes when you use the Coty Airspun powder on a wet sponge, it will leave a gray cast. Now I'm using the Pop Beauty Makeup Magnet Mist to set my whole face. This is currently my favorite setting spray. Okay, so now I'm starting the Smokey Eye by applying L'Oreal Infallible Paints eyeshadow in the shade Mistress Noir onto my eyelid. And then I'm taking a flat eyeshadow brush to blend out the eyeshadow and spread the product evenly. Next, I'm setting my eyelid with a black eyeshadow from the Colourpop and Makeup Shayla Perception eyeshadow palette, and I'm just using my finger to tap the eyeshadow on. And if there's one thing I would have done differently doing this look, is that I would have done my eyes first before my foundation, because sadly I got fallout all over my foundation. So after that mini breakdown, blending and smoking out the black eyeshadow with a blue eyeshadow from Colourpop called Backstage. To blend out that blue shadow even more, I'm taking the NYX Bright's Ultimate Shadow Palette and using a lighter blue shadow to blend right above that. Lastly, I'm going back in with all three shadows to deepen the colors. Now I'm adding an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight using a light blue shadow from the NYX Brights palette. And then to add some sea vibes, I'm placing pearls that I got from Michaels above my brows using lash glue and tweezers. To add the Siren scales effect, I just placed a fishnet stocking over my face and tapped blue shadows onto my cheeks and forehead. I used a combination of shimmer and matte blue shadows to add some dimension to my cheekbones. And then I added a light blue shimmer shadow to my cupid's bow and nose, and I placed a blue shadow under my bottom lip and on my nose contour. To complete the lower lash line, I used Pixi Beauty's Endless Silky Eye Pen in the shade Black Blue on my waterline, and then I smoked out the lower lash line with the same blue shadows used on top using a pencil brush. Now for lips, I'm applying Colourpop's Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Class Pet, and then applying clear lip gloss right on top. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a happy Halloween. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more spooky content.